Prince Harry and Prince William have been called very different by actress Kristen Stewart as she plays their mother Diana Spencer in a new film. The Twilight star said the pair are forging their own paths as she opened up about how she hopes they'll react. Kristen's new film Spencer is a biopic of Princess Diana's life and sees her in the title role. The film debuted at the BFI London Film Festival last night and the actress has been sharing her thoughts on the royal family. In one interview, the star opened up about the princes and how she sees their mother in them. She said, "I think that you can see that in the both of them. They are, seemingly from the outside, very different people that are kind of forging a path, and that's her. I see her in them and that could sound really kooky. I'm sure that that sounds crazy to them." Kristen also admitted she hopes they'll see that she and the filmmakers came to the story with curiosity. She added to Sky News, "We came to this with a lot of curiosity, and they've endured that curiosity worldwide their whole lives. So I'm sure that they're used to it. But it's not their favorite thing." The new film Spencer follows the story of their mother Diana during a small period of her life. Set in 1991, it examines the time Diana spent with the royal family for the Christmas holiday. Kristen also opened up on the red carpet last night as she shared her thoughts on playing Diana. Speaking to the PA news agency, she said, "People have taken from her for a long time. I think she was a generous person, that's what I feel from her. Our first step into this always was with love and admiration. And if we didn't love her we wouldn't have made the movie. So, it comes from a genuinely careful and considerate place. And we're lucky to have had the opportunity." The film premiered at film festivals across the world with its London debut last night. Spencer will be released around the UK on November 5.